Omujumbe West Mugrango Steve Mogaka nigarikiriri uko gucia committee hetenere tamangana a departmental finance and planning ase bungenene helio komanyigwa ekiagerete omoroberio World Bank OGOTENENIGWA ase county ya NYAMIRA kaukwana samagacho yebunge yo mubasolero. Mogaka nigase gati ya maboli amange nigarigete komanya ase omoroberio yobotuki yaikeire na igeka obotuki obo hoboraire helio komanya kose komanya abana inchi banyamira na boigo West Mugrango ekiekera chiko bwatikana no moroberio yo.
Speaker, pursuant to Standing Order number 44-2C, I wish to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning regarding the suspension of World Bank funded programs in NYAMIRA County. Honorable Speaker, on the 15th day of December 2025, the National Treasury suspended 3 World Bank funded programs in NYAMIRA County, namely the Financing Locally Led Climate Action Program, FLOCA, number 2, the Kenya Informal Settlement Improvement Project, and number 3, the National Agricultural Value Chain Development Project, due to alleged financial mismanagement, irregularities including unauthorized use of resources, unsupported expenditures, non-delivered activities, and governance failures. Noting that the programs are financed through the National Exchequer in collaboration with the International Development Association and the French Development Agency, there is great need for clarity on the circumstances surrounding the suspension and the measures being taken to safeguard public resources and to ensure service delivery. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning on the following. 1. A report on the finding that led to the suspension of the 3 said World Bank funded programs in NYAMIRA County. Number 2, a report on the status of investigations into the alleged mismanagement of the project funds. Number 3, the expected timeline for the completion of investigations and subsequent reinstatement of the projects, if at all. Number 4, measures put in place to ensure officers found responsible for the alleged mismanagement of funds are held to account for those funds. And finally, Mr. Speaker, the steps being taken to ensure continuity of services and mitigation of adverse effects on beneficiaries pending the reinstatement of the projects.